What is up, kings and queens? My name is Manshu. I am someone who plays with social media a lot. What is niche? Which niche is better for you? And how to find it? Let's dive into this queries step by step. In my words, niche is a topic in which you are interested and you can earn income through. Like for example, I am interested in programming and I want to earn income through programming only. So programming is my niche here. Now without wasting your time, let's just dive into 8 steps for finding your niche. The 8 steps are: number 1. Write your interests and hobbies. Then write your ideas how you can earn through it. How and what you can do to earn income through it. Step 2. Include the things which you can get bored of. Like for example, I'm interested in programming, but at particular time I get bored of doing it again and again and again. Then that is not my niche. A niche is that thing which you can do even in your free time and not feel guilty and feel bored about it. Step 3. Implement my mentor Vanessa's theorem. Niche down. For example, you selected a niche programming. Then niche down it to which programming, like web development programming, app development programming, etc. to focus on a particular topic. Because if you focus on particular topic, you can succeed in that. It's better to serve one people a better dish than to serve different people different dishes that you don't even know how to cook. Step number 5. Create a problem, identify a problem, and find problems that you can solve and help people to get over through. Step 6. Do you have really a skill to work in your niche? Interest and hobbies are not able to earn you even a 0 rupees if you don't have any sort of skill on it. If you don't have skills in your niche, then don't worry to quit that niche and start over again with different niche. Step 7. Find out your competitors and what mistakes they usually do and how you can overcome them, and can you do things like them and move on to improve your skills. Come on, at least you should have some idea of their level of thinking and how you can overcome them. What problems does your competitor solve? What problems you can solve and how you can solve it. Make them in a list together. Step 8. This is the last one, the important one. Profitability. Just look at your competitors and their lifestyles. The bigger competitors, not the ones that just started. If you love their lifestyle, their working, their way of working, then congratulations. You find out your niche which you can stick together forever, because at least semi-end result should give you satisfaction that you are doing something right. Otherwise, you will feel burnout and you will quit doing something in that niche. Business is a love type thing, not a crush type thing. It will test you, it will hurt you, but at last you will feel satisfied that you are doing something right. It will make you realize the reality. Oops, but you don't know which particular social platform you should be in to earn income. Then just stay here till the next week, because in the next Tuesday's video, I will share with you a whole grouping of in which social media platform you should be in to earn income through, and which will boost your engagement as well. Which particular niche person should be in this platform, that platform, Instagram, YouTube, Tumblr, Twitter, and why. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and then hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.